Are my answers for Unit EM Activity 6 summary questions. So for Part A, I drew the diagram. This is the dry cell battery. It decreases in chemical potential energy. They then have a heat interaction passing energy to the surroundings, and the dry cell battery has another energy interaction, but an electric circuit energy interaction, sending energy to the motor and fan. The motor slash fan have a heat interaction sending energy to the surroundings and has a contact push pull interaction sending energy off to the air. So for B, I did the calculations, and the dry cell battery, as we saw from the chart, has 90% efficiency and decreases in 300 joules. It then passes 270 joules to the motor and fan, leaving 30 joules left to pass to the surroundings. So the surroundings from the dry cell battery increases in 30 joules of kinetic energy. The motor and fan pass 135 joules of energy to the air. So the air increases in 135 joules of kinetic energy. And the motor and fan also pass on 135 joules to the surroundings. So the surroundings increase in thermal energy of 135 joules. For C, I added up the 30 joules from the surroundings, the 135 joules from the surroundings, and for the C, I divided the 135 joules divided by 300 multiplied by 100. So the total efficiency is 45%. And last but not least, the law of conservation of energy. So there's a decrease in chemical potential energy of the dry cell battery, which is 300 joules, and it equals the increase in kinetic energy of the surroundings, which is 30 joules plus 135 joules, which totals up to 165 joules. And then there's an increase in kinetic energy of air, which is 135. So 135 joules plus 165 equals 300 joules, which evens it out. And that is it.